Hello, welcome to Algebra Prep Academy. Today we're going to go over quadratic formulas. So that's x equals negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. When we want to find the x-intercepts or solution of a certain equation, we can usually set the equation to 0 and solve for x. For instance, if we set the equation y equals x squared plus 5x plus 6 to 0, factoring gives us 0 equals x plus 2 and x plus 3, so the x-intercepts are negative 2 and negative 3 for y equals 0. Some equations are complex. Y equals 3x squared plus 2x minus 4. Factoring? I don't think so. Use the quadratic formula, which is x equals negative b plus minus b squared square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And the quadratic form is 0 equals ax squared plus bx plus c. There's some items you have to note. So, the quadratic formula is x equals negative b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. If b squared minus 4ac is positive, then there are two real solutions. If it's negative, then there are no real solutions, and if it equals 0, then there's only one real solution.
Now let's try the problem we mentioned earlier. Y is equal to 3x squared plus 2x minus 4. Since this is already in quadratic form, 0 is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, we can set a is equal to 3, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to negative 4. Now we set these numbers into the quadratic formula, x is equal to negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, and simplify out the problem. Then we get x is equal to negative 1 plus minus the square root of 13 over 3. Notice that the discriminant is 13 and a positive number, meaning that we have two real solutions. This is x is equal to negative 1 plus the square root of 13 over 3, and x is equal to negative 1 minus the square root of 13 over 3. Checking our work, we can see that we do indeed have two x-intercepts, or two solutions, to the equation.
For example 2, we will find solutions for y minus 3 equal to 2x squared plus 4x. You want to start off by setting the equation equal to 0. This gives us a is equal to 2, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 3. Plug these three values into the quadratic formula, giving us x is equal to negative 4 plus or minus root of 4 squared minus 4 times 2 times 3 all over 2 times 2. Simplifying this quadratic formula gives us x is equal to negative 2 plus or minus root of negative 2 over 2. Notice that the negative 2 is a discriminant because it is negative. There are zero real solutions, as you can see in the graph. However, x is equal to negative 2 plus or minus root of negative 2 over 2 gives us two complex solutions and zero real solutions.
Now let's try our final example. Y minus 2 is equal to 2x parentheses x plus 2. To get this into quadratic form, we have to add 2 to both sides and distribute the 2x, getting y is equal to 2x squared plus 4x plus 2. Now we can set a is equal to 2, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 2. Now that we have those values, we can set that into the quadratic formula, and simplifying it out, we get x is equal to negative 4 plus minus the square root of 0 over 4. Adding or subtracting the square root of 0 will result in no value change because the square root of 0 is equal to 0. So x is equal to negative 4 plus 0 over 4, and x is equal to negative 4 minus 0 over 4 gives us the same answer, which is x is equal to negative 4 over 4, which is equal to negative 1. Checking our work, we can see that there is one solution only.
Now you know how to use quadratic formula along with discriminant to determine the solutions of an equation. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to our channel.